go, look, oh, yeah, it's old Buckingham Palace there, look. I mean, what happened? Why ain't I plotted up there, tonguing a princess? Eh? But no, I ended up on a set of swings in Canning Town.
I was bowled over when I found out I was related to royalty on Who Do You Think You Are?
Can't be. And I will remind people every opportunity that this man here, King Edward III, is my 22 times great-grandfather, direct descendant, right down to little old me. Everyone else sort of, you know, historians, professors know about all my family, my blood, but I don't. And I think when you've got a family tree like mine, you've got to go and explore it more. It wasn't enough on Who Do You Think You Are. I want to indulge in it. I want to smell it and drink it and taste it. I want to really feel what it would be to be royal. That's it, boys, roll!
Oh, yes, I'm going to get right stuck in gorging on my ancestors' lives.
Where are you? What's the matter? You want some? Get hold of that.
I'm setting off on an amazing history lesson. I'll be meeting a lot of clever experts to learn all about my regal relatives.
Sir John Seymour of Wolf Hall. It's just so much to take in, you know.
And I'm going to be eating, dressing and getting up to all the stuff they did.
Get up there.
Where have you been?
To experience hands-on how it felt to live just like my ancestors.
Welcome to your castle.
I want to feel closer to them and find out who they really were.
It's a real treat.
I'm even going to get my little mob involved so we can all get regaled out of our brains.
Your Highness.
It's going to be a right nutty royal caper.
Thank you. That's enough now. Yeah, all right.